things are changing. We're building a bridge. Watch out for that. We could build a bridge.
We could build a bridge.
Are you picking up what we're putting down?
Well, are you picking it up or putting it down?
Shut up, nerd. Spike, I need you to help Aaron hold this. I put it down.
Oh, there's some old, some 3-year-old dust coming down.
No. He brought up the idea of a center divider. I referenced how they have it set up at rows. And then we were like, well, we sort of have this aisle here. If we make a shelf above it all, nothing really has to change, and we gain more storage above. And we don't need the wall for storage. So now we have vertical storage and space over there. Do you have an idea of what you want to put above here? Come on, dude. It's like, well. All right. Do you have an idea of what you Hey, I have an idea. Don't. What about a basketball goal on this side?
Yeah!
A hoop.
A hoop right here.
Put a Nerf one. That won't hurt anything. How much headroom do we want to give ourselves here?
Quite a bit.
How tall are you?
Yeah, you're benchmarks.
You might want to go up quite a bit.
Go.
I can't switch. Someone tell me when.
Put the top peg in the hole that's Come on.
I can't. Let me go up.
Yeah.
One more. Yep, right. Well.
More.
Yep.
Hey, what if you used another plate of this, like at work height, and you made that just out of case instead of having probably the right call? Because Steve is not married to having any of this in here.
Well,
we could literally make it on the work
we could
surface.
use short ones too, so that could be we could easily wait.
Or we could modify. We could make a cantilever here, cut them. So do you want to move all this stuff against the wall?
Probably makes sense too. I would probably vote for kind of a clean slate, just a full rack, and if it has a working surface, great, right here in the middle, and then we have storage underneath and storage over my dog for a walk.
Come on, buddy.
I like the air there. Or we could come this way,
Yeah,
side.
I think maybe going that way.
You've got about 6 inches until the light.
Oh, what's under the lights? Or should I go to the other side of the lights?
Probably, well, yeah. Yeah, that's
Did we clear the air?
Roomy around them, that little bandsaw.
You know, this works out nice. If we...
A little too far. Yeah.
So, what are you thinking about? That was my Adam Savage one.
Oh, that sound.
Put down.
That looks level.
Just slide it somewhere in there.
Sure.
That's it.
And boom goes the dynamite. Something happened today.
Sure did.
I haven't finished Keith's engine yet, but we'll do that now.
Put me down.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's so far that I need to preheat the water. Yay!
All right, yay.
Stuff and things. 2-post car lift is still gonna go up here. So now we've got one step closer to making that happen. A nice clear division of like automotive tools and welding supplies. You know, all my pipes and jigs and benders and all that stuff can live over here. And then more general fabrication stuff can be over there. I like this.
Sweet.
I like it a lot.